Yes, I hear you saying I said too much. Yes, and I know I'm all about more is more, but sometimes it's nice to have a bit of less. Yeah, I think it would be too much. Way too much. Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. So today I want to share with you this beautiful paper from Tracie Creative. This kit is called Noteless Set number 1. So I'm going to come back to this page. So basically this kit is designed as a little noteless. Basically you can make little booklets, you can make cards, because you've got this beautiful butterflies background, you've got some plain background, and then you've got your sentiments. So you got for you, we love, you're the best, congratulations, thank you, friend, more. I love that. You know, we all different messages, so you can create again booklets, you can create cards, you can create tags. There is also a really pretty envelope, again one more, and then you can see here you can just fold it like that. And this one, so today we're going to focus on this page here. We're not going to create a card or a booklet, but we're going to create a little cracker, like a spring slash summer slash late summer. And this is serious part of my envelope punch board series, because I decided to do this video for a lot of you guys have requested to do videos using the envelope punch board, because to me it's a sort of tool that is massively underrated, because we only use it for envelopes, but you can make lots of different things. So today we're going to show you how to make a cracker. I will do a Christmas version near the time. I am planning my Christmas videos, so exciting time ahead. I won't gonna share a single thing with you guys. I'm not, because I am a mean person. No, not gonna share anything because I don't want to spoil your surprise. But yeah, so when I saw this straight away, I thought about two things: A, washi tapes, and B, crackers. The first thing that is literally came out to my mind is not Christmas cracker, like a cracker. So I have done a prototype based on these measurements. I played with different score lines, so that is not accurate, but the one I've done after is, because I've done 2 sets of score lines, we did different measurements, and I like the one on the left most rather than the one on the right. Just wanted to experiment, but basically this is my prototype. So you get a cracker, and then it works like this, like a proper normal cracker. So you get that little bendy there, and we're gonna put a ribbon, we're gonna put some decoration on here. There were too many score lines, they were too big, and it didn't work, but it did work here. You see, you get that proper effect. Right, so what we just need for this project, and I kept it very simple. All the score lines are very simple, everything is simple because we like simplicity. So we just need a piece of international A4, which is 21 by 27, 29.7 in inches. I could never ever remember. Is 8 and a bit by 11 and a almost 3/4, but you get the gist. It's an international A4. So I'm going to put the template on this week newsletter with a Friday freebie. So you get your Friday freebie and you will get this. So you get 2 pages on the PDF. So watch out for the newsletter. In case you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe today so you won't miss Friday's newsletter. Okay, so I urge you, join today. All the links are down below, and you will get a Friday freebie straight to your box and this template. As you can see, very simple. So on the short side, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 score lines: 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, and then that's what is natural left, which we use as a tab. On the long side, score it at 2, 2.5, and 3. Okay, and then I'll show you how to fold this. Now, because the measurements, if I carry on like this, the measurements get a bit stupid in there. So I suggest turn it around and do the same, 2, 2.5, and 3, to keep it very, very simple. Okay, so again, you're gonna get this, so don't worry about writing anything down. So I'm gonna get my scoring board. Okay, so let's start with the short side. Get your scoring board. Start with the short side. So we're gonna score it at 1.5, 3. So it's basically every 1.5, 4.5, 6, and 7.5. So you basically leave a 1.5 inches in between those ones. And the reason why, because you won't be able to see anything with the black cardstock, hence why I've done the prototype in white. Then on the long side here, we start on 2, 2.5, and 3. And then rotate it and do exactly the same. 2, 2.5, and 3. Very, very simple. Okay, so score lines done. So for now, we're just gonna burnish just the one on the short side. Don't worry about the one on the long side. Okay, now we need to get our envelope punch board. Here guys, we've got, as my pen, we've got 3 score lines, 2, 2.5, and 3. Okay, we need to position the score line in the middle, so this one here, not those 2, this one here, into the puncher there. Okay, just the middle score line, position in there, and then punch it. Okay, now I'm going to do off, like, I'm gonna speed it up because otherwise the noise will be too loud for you guys. And then you fold it like this, and then you keep punching. You fold it and you keep punching, so you literally punch on the second score line on both sides on each score line there. Okay, okay, so you guys ended up with something that looks like this. Okay, so we punched it on the second score line. Now I can see in the comments already, what about if we don't have the envelope punch board? And that is not an issue, because what you guys simply do, you fold it. Is that my prototype? Yeah, when you fold it, let's pretend. So that's the 3 score lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna do the one in the middle. You simply cut a triangle with your scissors, just like that. Okay, that's very, very similar. Don't go mad, because it will be too big. So go with something like that. Okay, it will work exactly the same way. So now what we're going to do, let me put this aside. So what we're going to do now, we're going to burnish the score line on the long side. So what we need to do, the first one on your right, so that's your hand, that's your right hand, the first score line, you fold it up like this. Okay. The second one, the one in the middle, you fold it down. And third one, you fold it up again. Okay, now before we glue it down, because what we're going to do in a minute, we're just going to put some double side tape in there. I find it easier, oh in fact no, let's do that first. So you can use glue, but because I'm a speedy crafter, I'm just going to put /lazy. We're just going to put some double side tape. This is the 1/2 inch one. I'm not being extremely careful as I should be. It won't matter. Okay. In there, am I going to put some glue? I put some liquid glue when in there, because it needs to we need to make sure, guys, it's totally slacked down. Don't worry about these things, because we're just going to pull it back out. Come on, you need to cooperate. Yeah, me and double side tape is like me with the crocodile. No, love/hate. Okay, and one more. No. Okay, this doesn't want to play. Right. Okay. Where's my liquid glue? It's just a tiny bit here, guys. There. I mean, you can use liquid glue all the way, but just for speedness, let me close it. Okay. And then now it gets a bit fiddling. Now, because it's only 5 of them, they're not 6. Okay. What is this is my best friend. And then we've gone all over it. Okay, so you ended up with something that looks like this, like a proper cracker. Okay, so now, because I don't want this video to be extremely long, I'm going to cut, where did I put it? Yeah, I'm going to cut all the strips and I'm going to glue them in there. Okay, I'll see you shortly. So you end up with something that looks like this, and I like the fact that it's I love that. Can you hear it? So that's what it looks like with all the beautiful butterflies. So what you would do now, guys, you will wrap this. Can put like hand cream, you can put lipstick, you can put chocolate, you can put sweets, you can put stationery, you do anything you want. And then I'm going to decorate it. Now for this decoration here, I will use my newest kit with the butterflies pussycat. Yes, darling. What? You can talk. Okay. Right, I'll be right back. Sorry about this. I had a lovely visit from Jamie. He's ever so shy. I don't know why he doesn't talk. When he comes and I'm filming, he always like me mute with his lips, and then he talked to me and I say, you can talk. You guys not gonna beat him, are you? So anyway, so I can't remember what I said. So, oh yeah, wrapping the present. So that is the stage when you put your present inside, and now we're going to close it. I'm going to be using to decorate it. This is my newest Pussycat butterfly kit. I got two. One is more you've got all different colors butterfly. This one, which is called number 2, and I'll put the link down below, is more autumnal. So you've got all this beautiful amber color, also some blues. It's more, I want to say, more like sophisticated butterflies. So you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pages, as you can see, from all different colors. I'm going to use those 2 here, and I'm going to put some I'm going to see if I'm sure I have some gold ribbon. Yes, I'm going to have a little play and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is our cracker finished. So I just put some gold ribbon and I make a little bow on each side, and then the 2 butterflies in there. And I think as the colors really complement Tracie's kit very, very well. So I mean, you can go mad, you can put butterflies on each side if you really wanted to, but because if you think that this is going to be, I mean, if you think about a plate, if you do like a dinner party and this goes on your table, it's going to be like this. Now you could decorate those ones as well if you really wanted to, but I do quite like having a bit of a black, because otherwise I think it would be too much. Yes, I hear you saying I said too much, yes, and I know I'm all about more is more, but sometimes it's nice to have a bit of less. Yeah, I think it would be too much, way too much. And it's nice that you can see a bit of black through the different panels of the cracker. As you can see, this cracker is quite big because we use the full shape, but you can make this as smaller as you want. Okay, so it's just an idea. It's a different idea, I guess. So yeah, if you like it, please give me a butterflies thumbs up. And as you can see, it stands itself perfectly. So okay, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I will put the link to Tracie's kit down below, and the kit to my butterflies kit also down below. And don't forget guys, subscribe to the newsletter today, so you will get the Friday freebie on time, and you get the where did I put it? You get the template onto your email address on Friday night. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you on Wednesday, and until then, stay safe and well.